What's up, people? Christopher Ramirez coming at you. I keep looking at the screen. That's why you see me looking this way. Here's the lens on the camera. Okay. Alright, so I'm coming at you with this video about Bitcoin. But not just even Bitcoin, you know, also Ethereum, excuse me, and Litecoin. Okay. Plus the other coins that they have. They have what's the one they have on Coinbase? I think it's called Ethereum Classic. Okay, when I saw that come in the scene, I got two of them things right quick. I bought two Ethereum Classics. Right now it's like $10 a coin right now. So that's why I seized that opportunity, because I seen what happened with Bitcoin and what happened with Litecoin. I also had a Litecoin that I had put 80 in the past, and it went up to like $340. The one Litecoin ended up cashing out like 120 and keeping the other running, like just heading on. Now I know I just kind of talked without introducing myself. My name is Christopher Ramirez, and before I proceed with more of this value, what I want you to do is go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Tick that bell icon. Make sure to like this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Subscribe button should be right here or right here. And let me go ahead and finish up and tell you about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, that's my cat making racket back there. Bitcoin is the revolution of currency, of a monetary system to exchange something of value. That way you can do business amongst the entire world. Okay, the entire world. It is revolutionary because they have a lot of horror stories about. This is one scenario that's actually due to happen. Okay, the U.S. dollar is going to crumble. No, they don't know when. They don't know when it's gonna be a complete catastrophe, just like how the 1929 Great Depression was. But they're saying it's gonna be worse and make the 1929 Great Depression look like a picnic, a welfare case, you know. And that concerns me as a person. That concerns me as a citizen of the U.S. being so arrogant and just printing money like crazy when the banks are reckless. It disturbs me. Okay, so I told myself I would go ahead and start getting involved with crypto and crypto trading. Now Bitcoin is one of the big three out of the Litecoin and Ethereum. Okay, so what my plan is right now, because I come from a background of affiliate marketing. Okay, I also work at a restaurant too. I still have a 9 to 5, guys. I'm just like you. And what I'm doing is the current thing I'm promoting. It's a CPA, okay? It's a CPA. And what I'm doing to build my cryptocurrency portfolio with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and all the other altcoins, doing trading, all that good stuff, and protecting myself from the coming US dollar collapse. That's why I want to do this video of the Bitcoin review. Because here's the plan, guys. In the link in the description, there's a program that pays $1 per free sign up, okay? And we have the training for it and all that. It's a lot. It's really easy, guys. You just got to be committed, okay? And if you're thinking about, you know, getting paid in Bitcoin some kind of way, and you want to know what Bitcoin is and you need a review on it, definitely follow this plan, okay? It entails this. What you would be doing is you promote the program for the program by getting targeted signups out of the 5 top tier countries, okay? They pay you $1 per referral, per free account sign up, and they pay you $100 when they go up to the pro account. What you want to do is take that commission, okay? The free money, I'm looking at it in a different light, because you can take the free money once you hit 20, because it pays out at 20 straight to your PayPal, and put it into your cryptocurrency wallet, okay? The 3 big ones, all right? So that we could start the trading, okay? Leveraging the system to leverage another thing where you don't have to sell anything. You don't have to be a affiliate and try to recruit people. You don't have to do none of that. You have a diversified portfolio, okay? And when other coins jump in price, you don't cash them all the way out. You just cash out your difference, what you invested. Cash out what you invested, or take a little bit of money also. But be sure, obviously, to put us off of the government, just, to be safe, because Lord forbid, the banks may successfully bail out the U.S. economy. This third bust that's about to come, okay? The third bust. I don't know if you remember the 2008, 2009 government bailouts, guys. Come on. And the cycle is about 7 to 10 years cycle this goes through. I mean, it's insane how it just sparked my interest with cryptocurrency. What's cryptocurrency telling us about the nature of what the U.S. is doing with the U.S. dollar? It's scary stuff, guys. It's scary, and you don't want your money locked up. You don't want your money locked up in the current U.S. monetary banking system, guys. You got to get your portfolio up outside of the banking system with cryptocurrency. So, like I said before, click that link in the description. Put your name and your email. We're gonna get you generating some income for free, all right? So you can put it back into your cryptocurrency, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Litecoin. Create that free account, all right? After you create your free account, what I want you to do, you'll be on another page. Put your name and email first off. Let me get it in order. After you put your name and email, there'll be another page, and on that page, what you want to do is put your name, put your email, put your password, confirm your password, confirm your account and your email, log into your account, and start watching all 5 of the videos, okay? 5, make sure you submit. I forgot to say submit somewhere in here. Make sure you submit the information, okay? Log into the free account that you're about to create in the link in the description and take action on building. This is a practical plan, guys. Like, you could take the CPA money and then put it back into the cryptocurrency and leverage the returns that'll come off the little $20 you'll get. Like, you could turn that $20 into like $1,000 with this, okay, with cryptocurrency, and just take out little income increments to keep you afloat till the point where you can quit your job. To the point where you can quit your job, guys. All right, so don't delay on the coming financial crisis, okay, that's coming. Get involved with cryptocurrency. I've definitely subscribed to this YouTube channel. Click that link in the description. After you create your free account, go ahead, message me on Facebook, okay? I'm always on Facebook. I'm always on YouTube. Message down below, whatever. Let's get this money, guys. Let's go ahead and get our cryptocurrency portfolios growing with this free CPA program that's currently paying out to their affiliates, guys. It's insane. So let's get this money, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.